I'm James Hurd, and I'm here to tell you about Smiles by Hanna. We met at the LA Fitness Center across the street, actually, and I remember I walked up to her kiosk and we started talking, and I was telling her about myself, and she told me about her business, and then she offered to have me come in, and I really wanted to. So I came in, and she looked at me and what I had going on. I had a lot of work that needed to be done, and she spent a lot of time with me, and she made me feel like I was the only person there. Everything was very, very professional, and I felt safe, and it was quite extensive work that she did for me. And all of her team were fantastic, and they were just professional, and they made me feel very, very comfortable. Since then, it's been kind of surreal. I wasn't really prepared to have the reactions I've been getting. People, I've always been really personable, and people, it seems like they want to talk to me, but now they are always talking to me, and I have people come up to me and tell me that my smile is beautiful and it's really nice, and all this time that I've been struggling with my teeth and wanting to have this really nice smile, and now I do, and it's changed so much for me, and I just have to thank you, Dr. Hanna.